Welcome to Second Life Upcycling. A friend gave me this dress. It was a little too big for me, and because I'm quite short, the long voluminous style didn't really suit me. But I loved the fabric and knew it would be a really quick, easy upcycling project to transform it into a pretty top. The first step was to cut off the excess fabric from the bottom. I saved this for another project, and create a new hem. I wanted to take advantage of the delicate fabric, so rather than do a straight hem, I decided to add an elastic hem, which gives it a flouncy hemline perfect for this fabric. Next, I attached the sleeves I'd salvaged from another upcycling project and top stitched these in place. You can see that super quick 10-minute upcycling project on my channel. And it's done! All up, this project took me under an hour. I can now wear the top on its own or couple it with a skirt I upcycled from the dress I took the sleeves from. Thanks for watching. If you love easy sewing and upcycling projects, subscribe to my channel for weekly inspiration. And if you want to see more videos like this, please throw me a thumbs up. Thanks.